Hello everyone. Welcome to mywordbook.com. In today's video, I have a new word for you. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it on daily conversation. Yankee. It is a noun. Basically, Yankee means a citizen of the United States of America. Let's take few examples of Yankee.
Example 1.
We sang these lines to the tune of Yankee Doodle.
Example 2.
We took the subway uptown to Yankee Stadium.
Example 3.
After a write-up in Yankee magazine, orders started pouring in.
Example 4.
The Yankee already got them.
Example 5.
His first cousin, Mariano Rivera, is a Yankee. That is the end of today's video. Kindly share your suggestions on comment box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.